Good morning and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be using plantain pancake and waffle mix to make our delicious plantain pancakes. These pancakes are fluffy on the inside and these really nice soft texture, made with 100% plantain flour. Our plantain mix contains all of the dry ingredients for our pancakes. The dry ingredients include green plantain flour, organic cane sugar, baking powder, pumpkin spice, salt, and baking soda. The recipe to make your plantain pancake mix includes all of your wet ingredients added to your dry ingredients. Our plantain pancake mix is rich in fiber, potassium, and iron, diabetic safe, and 100% gluten free. There's no need to add any white flour to this mixture to make your favorite plantain pancakes. So let's see how we use our pancake, waffle, and pancake mix to make our pancakes this morning. In a large mixing bowl, add all of the ingredients in your pack and mix it until consistent. Right? So you form a little hole in the center. Our wet ingredients are mixed together and include 1 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and 2 cups of water, as well as 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 egg beaten. So we have everything here in our cup, all of the wet ingredients, and we are going to add it to the dry ingredients. So you pour it in to your mixing bowl, all of your wet ingredients. Right, and now you're mixing in your dry ingredients and your wet ingredients together. Our plantain flour absorbs water as with all other gluten-free flours, so you may have to add a little bit more water until you get a drop-in consistency. Alright, so you may have to add about 1/3 cup to your batter, 1/3 cup of water, add it to your batter, and then mix it in to your batter until you get a nice flowing drop-in consistency. So you're getting your wooden spoon into your batter, using your spatula, just get all of the ingredients on the side. Yeah, mixing everything. Nice shopping consistency. Beautiful. Plantain flour looks very well integrated into the mixture already. This is the color that you'll get. Yes, and you know, this shows how well our plantain flour can be used as a substitute flour for white flour to make a pancake. So you don't need to add any white flour at all to mix your pancake batter. Right, nice dropping consistency. Let's see how it's flowing. Nice. Good. Excellent. So you're taking about 1/3 cup and you're filling it using a spoon. We're getting our batter ready for pancakes. Right, nice. So 1/3 cup. So you will have your pan or your skillet heating on a very low fire, right, on your stove. You're adding a little bit of palm spray or light oil Alright, so it should be preheated for about 2 minutes. And now you're going to add your 1/3 cup of batter to your pan, just like that. So you see it's already starting to form its nice circular formation, but you may have to just tilt it a little bit. Nice, let it spread out evenly. Make a nice circular formation. Right. So how long would you be cooking this for? Let's say for around 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, until it's nice and golden brown on the underside. So after about a minute, you should start to see the pancake starting to bubble. That tells you that it is almost ready to be flipped. It's more or less cooked on the underside. Alright, so as soon as you start to see it start to bubble, right, so you're taking your spoon and you're going to flip it on the underside. Yes. Nice and golden brown on the underside. So you're repeating the process now, cooking it for about half a minute or so to a minute. It should be nice and golden brown on this side. So after about almost a minute, you're pressing it down. Make sure it's evenly cooked on the edges. Alright, once it's done, right, take it, flip it on the other side. Yes, it's very nice and golden brown on the other side as well. So basically your pancakes are more or less ready. So you're going to take it out and you rest it into your pan here. And yes, these are your plantain pancake ready for breakfast. So as we showed you, our pancakes are nice and flexible. That's the texture on the inside. Right, so our pancakes are nice and fluffy on the outside. Let's see what the texture is looking like on the inside. Yes, nice. Yeah, so let's try some. Delicious plantain pancakes made from 100% plantain flour. So you can get your plantain pancake and waffle mix at JTA supermarkets, as well as Eat It Marketplace and Mode Alive in Valsayn. Check them out and get your pack today. You can also contact us at 753-4823, and yes, we deliver our plantain pancake and waffle mix made by Rhemas Foods.